Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about motivation. Motivation is the driving force behind our actions and goals. But sometimes, it can be difficult to maintain that drive and stay motivated. That's why today we're going to share with you 5 habits that will keep you motivated. Habit 1: Setting goals. The first habit that will keep you motivated is setting goals. Setting goals gives you a clear direction of where you want to go and what you want to achieve. When setting your goals, make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will help you to focus on what really matters and avoid distractions. Habit 2: Visualizing success. The second habit that will keep you motivated is visualizing success. Visualizing success is a powerful tool that can help you to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Take some time each day to visualize yourself achieving your goals and experiencing the success that comes with it. Habit 3: Taking breaks. The third habit that will keep you motivated is taking breaks. It's important to take breaks and recharge your batteries. This will help you to avoid burnout and stay motivated in the long run. So, make sure you take breaks throughout your day, whether it's going for a walk, practicing meditation, or simply taking a few deep breaths. Habit 4: Surrounding yourself with positivity. The fourth habit that will keep you motivated is surrounding yourself with positivity. Negative thoughts and people can bring you down and drain your motivation. Surround yourself with positive people, read uplifting books or listen to motivational podcasts. This will help you to stay positive and motivated. Habit 5: Celebrating your wins. The fifth and final habit that will keep you motivated is celebrating your wins. Celebrating your wins, no matter how small they are, will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep going. So, make sure you acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these 5 habits helpful in keeping you motivated. Remember, motivation is a habit, so keep practicing these habits, and you'll be on your way to achieving your goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.